What is your personal strategy? What is your life strategy? And I'm not kidding. I see so many people in life working so hard, but still confused, frustrated, or worse, unhappy. I see them stuck in the hedonic treadmill, stuck in the rat race, without a clear strategic destination in life. Henry David Thoreau said something very true. He said, it's not enough to be busy. So are the ants. The question is, what are you busy about? So I urge you to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to really understand what makes you unique. What are your strengths? What are your talents? Where do you excel at? What are your passions? Why do you take pleasure in life? Take time to understand that well. If you do so, then you're ready to move to step two and aspire. Engage in an honest conversation with your future self, you in 20 or 30 years, and ask that guy, what do you aspire for in life? And don't tell me that you want to be rich, successful, and famous. No, too easy, wrong way. Rather tell me what success will look like for you. Did you always want to be the next Frida Khalo, Nelson Mandela, or Steve Jobs? Or perhaps what you want is to contribute to your community well-being, to protect the planet, to build a happy family. I mean, I don't know. The choice is yours. This is your deep purpose. This is your life moonshot. But once this is clear, guys, no more excuses. You must move to step three.